Latest updates from one of the repacks right here at Public Plaza. After the evacuation of the 16-year-old personnel areas, a report that makes it person in one of the rooms that records vertical rescue due to the blocker empty. And also, emergency operations center requested emergency calls of VA811 requesting for a replication rescue team was able to extricate the victims and was brought to the medical post for medical treatment. So, ating building occupies evacuated the group and proceeded to an open space so that 10 others will be placed on the shop for investigation. Several trees in the surroundings of the couple and the posts were also damaged, injuring 6 persons inside the shop vehicles. Then updates from our impact site at Torok, Violeta, Barangay Kapulin, Barangay officials have already received several reports from the affected community. The Barangay Disaster Rescue National Emergency Council is conveyed following reports of damage. Barangay Disaster Rescue emergency rescue operations is ongoing. So the report of members from our SAR, our search and rescue team, has already here at the Bacolod City Public Plaza because of the reported missing person along with sleeping dogs. And latest updates coming from our impact site from Parking SMCT Bacolod. Hotel building engineers reported that the stairways leading to the upper floors suffered major structural damage while part of the exterior walls facing the reclamation area collapsed. One person reportedly chopped under the rubble while 5 others needed vertical certification. The Emergency Operations Center, upon receipt of calls, dispatched a CSSRE to augment the VFPs which were already implemented. So all these augmented, we're coming from the chamber and your fire protection.
Okay mga kauturan, ari naman kita kasubong sa programa sa DWYC Kapsan ng Broadcasting sa mga Pilipino. Gali mga kauturan, magpahimuy nga na itadiri, kag magpamalandong, kag magtanaw sa mga butang nga gintugasan Dios kanami mga kauturan. So I'll see you on the next vlog mga kauturan. Ari naman sila So madamo gid nga salamat. Please subscribe, share, comments. Kang magtanaw kamo sang kun ano kakatabo diri sa Bacolod. Na.